he just joined us last year. He doesn't use any of his limbs. Maybe the hands, the upper limbs, he has a paralysis of the upper limb. So the way he walks, that is how he walks. Come back. You want to try again? He joined us last year. And this boy is very bright. And he was telling me the other day that he'll be the president of Kenya. And I think that and this boy, he writes using his leg. Let me just keep in my pen. He just eats, I think, be together at lunch. And you see how he eats. And he writes using his. This boy is very social and very bright again. So he writes using his. That's why we are independent. Just leave the pen so that you'll say, come and give it to me. Just put it on the ground. You can write very well. It's a good And what I'm saying here, we are very grateful for Bethel. These are the children who have already been dumped in the village. They could not have been assisted in any way. Yeah, thank you, Chairman. Carefully, my friend. Don't allow me. Thank you. Yeah, you don't have to say, my mother is going to Mombasa. I don't know where.